welcome to the lesson. In the last lesson, we studied can and can't, modal verbs, can, can't, and infinitive. Today, we are studying modal verbs, will, won't, plus infinitive. Yeah, like can, can't, plus infinitive, will, won't, plus infinitive. And will and won't are future tense. When we talk about tomorrow, we need future tense. When we talk about next week, we need future tense. Next month, next year, we need future tense. And in English, we can talk about the future with will, or going to, be going to, or even present continuous. Present continuous can mean future. Present continuous is sometimes right now. So now we are studying future tenses. At the moment, I am teaching you English, but also present continuous can be about tomorrow. So tomorrow I will meet my friends in the pub. Yeah, maybe tomorrow is Friday, and on Friday night, on Friday evenings, I meet my friends in the pub. So tomorrow I will meet, not met, yeah, meet, will meet, future, met, past. But tomorrow I will meet my friends in the pub. Or tomorrow I'm going to meet my friends in the pub. Or tomorrow I'm meeting my friends in the pub. And they are the same, yeah, the same, almost the same. I will meet my friends, I'm going to meet my friends, I'm meeting my friends, the same. Okay, we will practice, future tense with will and won't. We will practice will and won't, positive, negative. So, what will the weather be, infinitive, like tomorrow? What will the weather be like tomorrow? Do you remember? We talked about, in another lesson, we talked about what was the weather like on holiday. What was the weather like? Well, that's past. This is future. What will the weather be like tomorrow? So, here in England, in my town, tomorrow it will be cold. Yeah, it will be cold. Maybe 10 degrees. Yeah, it's June, but it's England. So tomorrow it will be cold. Just 10 degrees maybe. 10 degrees. Let's say 5 to 10. Yeah, cold. 10 degrees. Here in England, tomorrow, I think it will rain. These are verbs. Verbs. Rain and snow are verbs. So will and infinitive. Will rain, will snow. I think tomorrow it will rain in England. Now, it's June. It won't snow. Yeah, it won't snow. Remember, modal verbs, no doesn't, no don't, yeah, modal verbs. It won't snow because it's summer, and in England, it doesn't snow in winter very often, but it never snows in summer. So tomorrow it won't snow in my town. It won't snow. But it will rain. It will rain. And I think it will be cold, and I think it will be cloudy. cloudy, lots of clouds in the sky, no sun. Yeah, there won't be sun. It won't, yeah, negative, it won't be sunny tomorrow. It won't be sunny in England. What will the weather be like in your town? What will the weather be like in your town tomorrow? Will it rain? Yeah. Question. Yeah. Question. Will it rain? Will it snow in your town tomorrow? Will it be boiling? Will it be hot? Will it be cold? Will it be freezing, which is like -10, freezing, lower than 0? Will it be windy? Windy is windy. Will it be windy? Will it be sunny? Will it be cloudy? And